friends, how are you? Welcome to ESN Mix channel. Today's topic is Father's Doodle, Father's Day Doodle. So you can send the virtual card to your father on this special occasion, on this special day of Father's Day. And today the Father's Day is celebrated all over the world. So the search engine giant Google has made this, create this special doodle for all of you, and it is showing the home page of Google. So now you can just create this special doodle for your father and send virtual card. You can make it through this doodle, and you can send it through through WhatsApp or email or Facebook. So that is our topics today. How can you create this doodle and how can you send this doodle? But today I will know about the detail about this Father's Day Doodle 2020. But before start, I want to say, if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. And if you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you will not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the computer screen to know how can you create this doodle and how can you send this virtual card to
Okay friends, now you will watch the website for this Happy Father's Day doodle. So today this is the home page of this Google, and this is the doodle. When we just hover the mouse in this doodle, so there is one message: Happy Father's Day. Craft and send dad some art from your heart. So just make the craft and send to dad. So how can you make this craft and how can you send this? Today I will show you. So this is the home page, and today in the Father's Day special Google Doodle, you just make this craft and send it to dad. Father's Day 2020, Google made this special doodle, send virtual card to your father. So just click on this card you have seen. Happy Father's Day, let's get crafting. Now you can make this. But before start, I will tell you some history about this Google Doodle on this Father's Day special. Today Father's Day is being celebrated all over the world. Google made this special all over the world, and Google made a special doodle on Father's Day. In 1910, the girl named Sonara celebrated Father's Day for the first time. So this is the Sonara, the first time made wish his father on this special day, on this Father's Day. And today 2020 is being celebrated all over the world, keeping this special day occasion on this mind. The legendary search engine Google has created this special doodle. Users can make virtual cards and send them to their father through this doodle. At the same time, this doodle reminds us the times when cards are made from by hand and on such occasions. So before making this doodle is special, so we just make the cards in our hand, drawing some good pictures, good photos, and send it to our fathers on this special occasion on this Father's Day. But Google give this opportunity to make this craft. So it is in this now 2020, it is the world of computer and internet. So Google, it's a search giant, to make this doodle. And history of this Father's Day, this is the Google's 8th doodle made for this on this Father's Day. So this is the 8th number of doodle which make on this Father's Day doodle Google make. This in 1910 Father's Day is first celebrated in Washington. And for your information, let us tell you that Sonara Smart Dodd, a girl living in Spokane city of Washington, started Father's Day fast. So she wishes his father, she wishes her father, Sonara wishes her father on this a special occasion on this Father's Day in 1910 in Washington, Spokane in Washington. So now you have seen this. How can I make this doodle? You can just make it whatever you want. There are the lots of things you have seen. You have seen this is the you have lots of hearts, doubts, and seahorse. So there is a lots of this. You just make it attractive to send your father. There are lots of things. You have seen there is the two. I just make it as I wish. And if you want to make, you just go to the make. If you want to make this, make a card like this through doodles. If you want to make, then you also want to make this card if you're for your father, then you just first click on this Google Doodle on this home page of this Google, and after this a window will appear. You have seen in whatever I am doing, and where you will find this, choose the things you like from them and the place in the blank space. So this is the blank space, you just clear. If you don't like this, you just clear it. So start over, then it is blank again, and you can make it again. So whatever you want, you can make it, and after doing so the card will be ready. You can send it to your father through email, Facebook and WhatsApp, whatever I am saying you that's later. All the options are there. First make the card, and you can also erase this. Suppose you just make it whatever, and you also, if you want to erase, then you can erase this. So this is the eraser, and this is the card background. So see, the background is there. If you want to change the background, just click on the colors and the background is changes. Now you can make it lots of things you can make it. You can erase it, or you can make this doodle. So it is very good to, you can easily make this doodle from your end. So in this way you just make it. Just click on this and just put it on this picture. That is very simple, and you can make this design from your own. Whatever, these are the items: hearts, leaf, and this is the horse. This is the horse. So all those items. This is the flower. You can make it to more attractive, and this is the background color. If you want to change the background, that is the yellow background, if you want to green, then just click on this green, then the automatic changes. If you want to again yellow, then just make it to yellow. So whatever which color is the first, then this changes first. Suppose if you want to blue, then if you cannot blue it, just click on once, the green is there, and then again white, then blue. And if you want to yellow first, then yellow is changes. The first card is changes. This is the background color, you can change it from there, and you can erase this from here. Suppose I want to erase this heart, just click this leaf. So you can erase it any from there, and if you just put it the flower, you can make it more attractive, more flowers. So in this way you just make this doodle. It is very fine. And the history is when first is started, the Sonara Smart Dude is started this to send her dad this gift in Washington on this special day of Father's Day, in this Father's Day special. So all the design, all the doodles there, you just make it for more attractive, more love heart, more heart is there. And so in this way you just make it. It is very simple way, and in this way you just make this doodle more funny, more interesting. And if you want to change this, just go to the recycle bin, these options, clear all, you can make it clear and make it if you don't like this type of image. If you want to change anything, if you want to change and want to make from the starting, just you don't like this design, then you just click on this and just start over, or just if you don't want to change, then cancel. So in this way just click, this is the design. and suppose I just want to start over, then all the designs are going out. And now the clear is that this is the blank space. If you want to change the background you can change in later, but I just want to yellow background. This is more attractive, and just red heart I just make it final. One doodle for the father. Okay, you can make anything. So in this way you just click on this and then just put it on the blank space. So in this way you just put it. It's very interesting, and you just you make fun and just enjoy, and you just make it a lovely flower. When the flower I just put it, its glamour, its looks is changes every time. This flower is looks good. So in this way you just make it, and this is the drum, one or two drum I just put it. This is the star, this is also small star, this is the heart, this is a small heart, this is the candle, and in this way you just make this doodle. Suppose this is the final doodle for my in this picture, and now you just send it. Click on the send button. You have seen there are three options. You can copy this link from here. See, this is the copy link. You just click on this, click copy link, and now you can send it to this mail, or you can send it Twitter. You can send it through this cancel. Yes. So you can send it through the Facebook. From there you can directly send through the Facebook, Twitter, and email. And if you want to just send it to the WhatsApp, then you just copy the link and paste it from this WhatsApp account. And in this way you can send it to your father's. So that is the about the how can you create this doodle on this special occasion, Happy Father's Day. So this is the envelope. You have seen there is written Happy Father's Day. So in this way you just, this is the my doodle you have seen, and in this way you just make it the doodle and send it to your father through this email or Twitter or Facebook, or if you want to any other way, suppose Instagram or WhatsApp. If you have any account connect to your father, then you just put the link there and just send it.
Okay friends, that's it. And after watching this video, now you can know then how can you create this doodle and how can you create this virtual card for this Father's Day special occasion on this Father's Day 2020, and how can you send this virtual card to your father through this Facebook, WhatsApp, and copy this link and you just send this to your father. So everything you know, then how can you create and how can you send. So that is our topics today, and hope you'll enjoy this video and like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you have any information regarding this video, or if you want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.